Hello and welcome. I'm Master Lama Rasaji, and this is our Friday edition of Rasaji Speaks. I want to thank all of you. It's not too late to sign up for live training today that is actually being recorded for your get-go. Today's subject matter in Rasaji Speaks is happy birthday to Swami G. Sri Yukteswar, born in Benares, India in 1855. If you look at that 1 and 8 and a double 5, that will connect you to two very important teachers that Sri Yukteswar tuned into, which had been with the soul for many, many, many centuries. And that was Gorthness, that the Western world calls Melchizedek. And of course, our simple father, Babaji, that he would meet in this lifetime during the Kubala Mela that says you will write a book, The Holy Science, when he was only 12 years old, that will basically bring the Eastern and Western thought of ancient Hinduism to Judaism, and you will see the common denominator of East and West, which is very, and also a lot of the stuff that was said in the gospel. You will also teach a Sheila, a disciple that will be accredited for bringing a huge yoga movement in the 1920s to California and then the rest of the world. And we know that was Parishinath Yogananda. Very excited to share with you today a little bit of the reality of Sri Yukteswar. Yukteswar was pretty much an Indian monk. He was married for a few years, but his wife passed on very early, and he overcame a lot of his death urge as he moved in and began studying Kriya under the famous master Lahir Mahasaya. And of course, he was a chief disciple of Babaji. And Babaji and Lahir and Gorthness Melchizedek really formed his inner searching. Yukteswar, the name itself, basically meant that he was moving into what the ancient Hindus called Yasvarai, which means the formless God. So Yukteswar is another word that meant the formless God, that God manifests itself in many, many shapes and forms, but also outside of shapes and forms, which again was a classification of the Holy Spirit. And his pursuit and study of the four yugas is incredible. He was a scholar in the Bhagavad Gita and also the Upanishads as a professor in his early years of both of those ancient texts, which basically laid the foundation. He had read several copies of the Bible, the Old and New Testament, and he was ready, in his 40s and 50s to start the manuscript that became the Holy Science, of which a lot of people had. Sri Yukteswar proposed a 4 yuga cycle of 12,000 years, referred to is a day of Brahm, and it was called sadis. Coming in between each sadi is 10% the length of the main period, occurs at both the beginning and the end of the Kali Yuga. And so they all progressed, where the Kali Yuga was 1200 years duration. The Dharpara Yuga that we're in currently right now have been in for over 300 years, which is supposed to change at 4100 AD, is a 2400 year cycle. We're just a little under 2100 years left. You might want to think about living a little longer. The Treta Yuga that starts in 4100 AD is about 3600 years old. And after that, we have the Satya Yuga, which a lot of people refer to as the Golden Age. And that cycle alone is almost 5,000 years. And, what he did and is continuing to do today through the circle of Qi and the teachings of Tai Chi Gong is to form East and West together in spiritual and religious thought, but also Eastern and Western medicine. That's why it's so exciting that tomorrow in Tucson, in our live streaming, which I'm told by Andy and Lynette that there's still a few seats left for live streaming. We have formed a doctor, holistic, and medical board of about a half a dozen physicians that are bringing East and West together. So we're not only talking about it, we're actually doing it. They not only will have impact for our network, but if you understand the science of feng shui and breaking the psychic portal, they'll become influencing right now. We have teachers actually teaching in medical facilities right now, Tai Chi Gong. So imagine what's getting ready to happen over the next couple of decades. Gonna be powerful. And when you think about our retreat center, the Circle of Chi Ranch, our lamasery, and what that entails and how we're bringing back the Ediatic consciousness, back the tree of life, instead of worshiping the tree of good and evil and academia and politics like it's some kind of God or some kind of religion, which is misconstrued. We come together because the circle of Qi and Tai Chi Gong is all about bridging the gap, bringing people together, enlighten them with the truth that all world religions are different chapters of the same book of one God that manifests and unmanifests in all kind of different ways. And we have seen it. We've been sharing these truths for over 3 years in our community. You might want to consider to join us for less than 50 cents a day. You have access now to over 6 to 12 months of archived videos. You have potential to learn anywhere from 10 to as many as 50 hours of live streamings with masters, plus our community, which is absolutely amazing. Why don't you come join us? We're all about light, we're all about love, and all are welcome. Baraka Bashai, may the blessings be to you and to your glorious family. Look forward to seeing you today at training or tomorrow on live streaming in Tucson. And it's going to be a powerful as we open largely the portal of Shiva in Tucson, Arizona, USA. God bless you. God bless everyone involved. Big shout out to Judith and Tom. Happy to be with you guys. Happy for all that you do for the Circle of Chi, for Sister Lynette and Andy and John and Master David and Emmy and Robert Hale and Dawn and Raquel. You know, we just have a phenomenal team. Our team in the Philippines, to Rudra, our family that threads our mala garlands, has been with us over 2 years, and the family's been threading marla garlands for over 200 years. It's really an amazing love. To Sister Mbaya with all her products, to Sister Karen Joshua introducing the community to Hercules, which has really improved their health, to Dr. Jeannie and to Sheila that has brought our other sponsor, Itera, here. Wonderful technology on frequency and energy. We are here to help transform the planet, but we don't talk about it over here. We do it, right? We walk the walk just as much as we talk the talk. May the blessings be to you and your glorious family. And I'll see you bright and early tomorrow on the Saturday version of Rasaji Speaks. God bless to you and your family.